it's Michelle with the Singing Baker again, and I am back with another fall cocktail. This one is an apple crisp punch. It's a great cocktail that you can make in the fall, and you actually get a lot of servings out of it, so it's good for a big crowd. Okay, so we're ready to get started. Let's get our list together. You'll need some gin, some apple cider, some fresh lime juice, a little bit of honey. You'll need some fresh limes, apple sticks, and the apple sticks, you're basically going to take one apple and just chop it into matchstick sizes. We'll need a little bit of fresh thyme, some cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of ice. So let's get started. I'm going to be adding to my gin here that I already have in the pitcher. I'm going to be adding my apple cider. Okay. I'll add my lime juice. And we're going to be adding the honey as well. This is a perfect fall drink. Has all the flavors of fall in here. Nice fresh apples. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to give this a good stir. Mix that up. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now I'm going to be adding a lot of my lime slices in here. I'm going to save 2 so that I can put those on the glass itself when we serve. And I'm going to add the rest of them in here. And those will break down and flavor the cocktail as well. Okay. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to stir it one more time to really get all the flavors incorporated. You can really smell the apple and the citrus from the lime. Okay. So now we're ready to serve. It's as easy as that. We have gotten some little glasses here that I've chilled in the freezer. I've filled them with some ice. And what I'm going to do is just pour them out here. Full of each of my glasses. And I can start to smell a little bit of honey as well. That's nice. Okay, so little lime wedge for each of these. And I'm also going to add some matchsticks of my apples on the top, which is really nice. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And once you try this, give me a little shout out in the comments below and let me know how you like this one. Okay, last step is to put a few thyme sprigs. Make sure you always use fresh thyme. And I'm going to be adding a cinnamon stick to each one as well. Perfect. Okay, cheers. I hope you enjoy this one. Till next time.